Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jade, and you know, over here at Shades of Jade we stay litty because we always pretty. Okay, so I'm going to shoot a really quick video. I'm not going to do pretty much any talking until probably the end. I'm getting ready to run out of the house for probably less than an hour. Just want to shoot this really super quick. Get ready to head out the door, less than 10 minutes. Look, so I'm going to stop talking. I'm just going to get into it. Sorry, it's a call from my son's school. They call about every day. So regarding homework, because you know of all this virtual distance learning thing for all the kids. So I get a call every day, just reminding all the parents to make sure your kid is doing their homework. So that's all the call was about. But I just finished putting on my mascara and that was it. So I'm going to keep moving on with this e.l.f. This is a bronzer palette, and bronzer blush, and it comes with these 4 colors. Take some of this primer, put it under my eyes just to brighten it up a little bit. Get some earrings. Okay, so I got my earrings on and now I'm ready to walk out the door. That is it. Less than 10 minutes tops, just to get this full look. And it's not even a full look, it's just you want to throw something on your face, kind of make you look more awake than what you are, and you want to have something on your face to kind of even your skin tone. It Cosmetics is the best thing to do that. And like you saw, I didn't use any kind of tools at all, which is probably what made me go so quickly. That was the first for me. My makeup brushes and sponges are dirty, so I didn't have anything to use because, like I said, they're all dirty. But that's something that you could try to do. Just do your makeup with, with your hands. It worked semi okay for me. It doesn't look half bad. It doesn't look, put together. I've said in previous makeup videos, I don't do my brows because I have naturally thick brows. As long as they're plucked and tweezed and snatched or whatever, I really don't do anything except use this comb brush thing to brush through my brows, and that is it. Like I said, really quick, really simple. I know I still look tired and sleepy, and it's because I am, but normally when I'm waking up, I'm going to look like this, and I have learned to adjust to that. It's just going to take me at least 2-3 hours before my eyes kind of settle in for the day. And what I mean by that is my eyes don't look as puffy. I look more awake once I'm actually up and moving around for a couple of hours. So for me, that's going to be normal. I have naturally hooded eyes, so they're gonna look like that. I mean, I can't help it. For all of my hooded eye crew, you understand what I'm saying. So that is it. That is all I have for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Have you done a 10-minute makeup tutorial before? What are your tips and tricks to kind of make this pop just a little bit more? I probably could have used some more of my e.l.f. bronzer, highlighter, whatever, but I just wanted to add a little color to my face. I didn't want to do like a full glam look. So that's it, like I said. And at Shades of Jade, like I said, we stay litty because we always pretty. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.